Well, good morning. I wanted to get the cam on because Lily, early, 5:30. I've been seeing her do her thing, so I have tried to ignore her for as long as possible, but gets to a point where I can't for too long. So I'm going to open the door, say good morning. Haven't done my morning rounds yet, but I'm about to, and it's starting with, of course, my Lily. So are you going to say hello to me, you cheeky girl? Hey, you going to say hello to your mum? Hello, darling? Yeah, well, you may not be going to be crawling over that way first thing this morning. No, I'm not going to let you. You can't go over that way, because I know where you're going to go. Where are you going to go? Hey, where are you going to go? Hey? Yeah, you're out. You happy? Should be. You've been morning out for quite a while. So I'm just hoping she'll head to the hangout spot at this particular time in the morning, because I've got so much to do. Not that Lily really cares that I have a lot to do. But you know, she's not going to settle. I'll just put her on my shoulders and get on with the bits that I do have to do. It's not I want to do or I have to do. So Lily very much is used to, okay, well, I'm around her shoulders, so where are we going and what are we going to be doing? And being little Miss Sticky Nose that my Lily has often been, I'll just bring her tail round for her. Where you going, dude? Going up on the table? Hey, the table's there. Cool. Girl, you're right, you can do it. You're strong enough. Hey, you gonna go visit the dog? My daughter's moved all the pillows, so there's some gaps there. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it here. Okay, my battery went flat, so the video went on me, and now I've switched it back on. And well, Lily hasn't exactly gone to the hangout spot, but she's gone into the little basket here to maybe curl up, I don't know. She'll make up her mind what she's going to do. Maybe she thinks she's hiding in there. Of course it's tilted, but it can't tip any further than that because it's got a support at the back end. So I doubt that she's going to stay there. She might. I've seen her actually go in it a few times and kind of just lay there for a while, but it gets the better of Lily and she wants to explore. So I'll just leave her be, and I'll put the camera back on a little bit later and we'll see exactly what she's going to do. I need to straighten those pictures behind there because they're so crooked. Maybe you do that too, Lily, don't you? I can see you. So anyway, I'll put it back on a little bit later. It's a bit dark there, and we'll see what Lily gets up to. And I know Lily, it'll be mischief. Well, you've seen where Lily come out and yeah, starts her day. I'm kind of starting my day. It's still early. I'm up at 5:30 in the morning, so I guess it can be kind of my fault that Lily is out and about so early, because she sees me and I think in actual fact her body clock already knows, Mum will be here soon. I'll already be at the door waiting for her when she gets here. Because more often than not, I mean a lot of the time I walk in here and she's not at that door, and then she spots me and then she comes down to the door. But there are a lot of mornings I get here and she's at that door waiting, and just sitting there waiting, almost like, yep, see, I knew it. I knew you were going to be here. That's the only way I can explain it. And some people might say, God, that is stupid. I don't think it is. I've seen it time and time and time and time again with Lily. So I don't think it's stupid at all. I've had her for many years now, and you know, she never did this in the beginning. She was so nervous, really head shy, really unsure about lots of things, never defensive, but certainly on guard. I've watched her blossom into this most confident, amazing snake, and for me, every minute I spent with her, and a lot of that time, guys, was not touching her. It was just sitting there with her door open. And she started in Tessa's enclosure, and that's pretty much how big Lily was when she arrived, was Tessa's size. So she's come a long way, and she's trying to make herself comfortable. So we'll go over there quickly so you can see her. But she hasn't moved from that basket. She's just trying to make herself as comfortable as she possibly can in there, and it's a little bit slanted, and I don't want to disturb it too much at all, but you know, that's why I put the basket there, in case any of them wanted to just curl up in it and have a nap. But I didn't know that it would be Lily. I just thought it would be one of the Lilies, and it's not. It's actually Lily that has decided that might be a great place to chill for a little while. She can. There she is. Of course. So yep, it's been wonderful watching Lily grow and become that confident, smart, so smart she is. She blows me away a lot of the time, I tell you. But yeah, that's Lily for you. She's got a little bit of growing to do too. She's never going to be massive, huge. She's going to be big. Big enough for me, ain't you, Lil? Today, I know I've got some snakes to feed. I do believe that it's little Maya's feeding day. Haven't checked my list, but from memory, which isn't that good, believe me, don't rely on my memory. And I tell my snakes that all the time. You are so lucky I write things down, because if I didn't, might not be a good way to have you hungry all of the time. And she needs more water. Oh no, it's okay, it's not too bad. Of course, Jack, which you won't be able to see because he's down in his dark little corner down there, but don't believe he's due for the feed today at all. Apani, yep, I know she's due for a feed today. She's in her little hide down in the warm side over here. Having a snooze at the moment. Of course, Jessie, not going to open the door because possibly a feed day for Jessie too today, and he's been acting pretty hungry, so maybe even if he isn't quite ready and he's a day early, no big deal, I will get a meal. And we can't see Tessa because she's decided to go down here, but if I generally give that door a little bit of a tweak because she's due for a feed, a lot of the time she will, yeah, she pokes her little head out in anticipation. And it's dark, I apologise, but yeah, she's due for her little feed today. I think Maya's got a couple of days to go, but she's laying over the back here at the moment, as you'll see. So I will throw in a little bit of feeding today, and that'll probably be it for this video. So I figured out who's feeding today, and Maya isn't actually one of them, but I'll go through, you'll see all the different size feeders here, who gets what today. So we'll start with little Miss Apani, if you can't already guess. She's still on the pinky rats, and even they're quite big for Apani, but she manages them quite well. Of course, this is Lily. What have I got her? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mice. Now, I'm feeding her at the moment every 10 days, so that's ample enough for Lily at this particular point. She lets me know if she's more hungry, and if she is, then I will, of course, get out more if she wants it. Jack is, and they're actually extra large mice, so that gives you an idea. Well, I'll put it in my hand. Yeah, that's an extra large mice. Tiny, of course, really. Got these ones off a different guy, a little bit bigger, maybe it's just flattened out, but now we're on to Jack. He has a large rat, and he also has a medium rat. That's how I like to feed Jack. I don't and can't get extra large mice. It's a jump to a jumbo, and next time I keep saying that, next time I go, no, I'm probably getting a jumbo. I haven't made up my mind yet as to whether I'm going to feed him the large feeder or just stick to the 2 smaller, because really, you know, lots of people say you shouldn't double feed. Don't double feed. I don't. It's the way I do it, and my snakes are fine. So as far as I'm concerned, my snakes are fine. They're fine. Tessa is on large weaners, as you can see, and that's a good size for Tessa right now. Jessie is on the medium rats, so he can eat the large. Really, he can. But for right now, I've got some mediums, even though Jack has them, so they're certainly not going to go to waste, but I've got some small rats, so I'm not going to waste, to be honest. And I know eventually I'll get to use them, but I'm not going to have them sitting in my freezer for months either. So even though I keep a supply, I keep on rotating that supply and using them up. So he's on a medium and he's on a small. So that's plenty enough for Jessie. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snakes to feed today. So anyway, that's the table laid out. They're going to thaw. Then I will warm them up. And then of course I'll feed them. And Lily is still over in her basket. So I'm going to take a little sneak a peek at her. She's made herself quite comfortable actually. There we go. You're creeping up on me, Mum. You're going to creep up on me. And it's dark, guys. I'll open. There you go. Comfy. Not quite in the basket as such, but it's tilted. But that's because she hasn't balanced. But she's happy. Of course, she doesn't know yet that she'll be going back home to be fed because I'm not feeding her out today. She can go home and have something to eat. So I'll be back later with a quick little feed. And I will make it quick.